everyone. So, are you also struggling how to maintain your consistency while learning any language, especially for the spoken English? So, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu and you are watching Learn English with Indu. So, today, why this thought came to my mind to create this video? Because most of the time what happen, people are not able to maintain their consistency. I'm not saying that intentionally they don't want to make or they want to give up during their journey, but because of constraint of responsibilities or due to constraint of time constraint they are doing such kind of things, but it's fine. So today I'll give you a very simple trick, okay, or very simple tips that what you have to follow. Because if you want something in your life, so everywhere consistency plays significant role in our life, okay, and how this consistency is helping me to grow myself every day. So the first tip is that don't pressurize yourself most of the time. Try to feel that vibe, that whatever you are doing, tell me that one reason, that one why, that why you are doing this thing. It is your personal, for enhancing your personal growth or for enhancing your personality. So there should be a strong why. If we are doing something, if we are picking something, it doesn't mean that out of whim or if only for the half-baked knowledge or half-baked idea just came to our mind that it's okay, everybody is doing, so let's we also start. No, your vision should be clear. The very first thing, okay, and the next thing is that how we can build smaller, how we can take that first baby step and how we can strong our foundation. So initially, if you are fixing your habit or if you inculcate good habit for following any certain routine, you need to follow certain criteria, because it's not our native language. We need to artificially create that environment for ourselves. For example, if I am speaking to you, I am recording my video, if I am not getting something from it, how would be I happy? I couldn't. Okay, so it plays essential role in our life. Whatever we are doing, is we are happy of it, whatever we are doing, or it is just like a as a namesake only, we are just doing that things, we are just following the certain sets of rule. Okay, so there should be a strong determination. And the next is very simple. I think everybody would relate with that thing, that give try to think in a way that it is just a food for your brain. Okay, most of the time whenever I am speaking daily, I cannot say that all the time I think that okay, today is very good day and I am full of beans. Nevertheless, I tried this thing that most of the time I would be just for life, and I am such kind of a person. But sometime you are in your lows, every time you cannot be at the same in your energy. We need to figure out ourselves. Okay, so for that, what we can do, that is find your interest, find your niche, what else we can do, and follow the trust process. Don't look for the perfection. Most of the time people are just running into this, that why I'm not growing, I'm just getting stuck. It's fine, it's fine. Everybody makes mistake and it is just normal. If I'll go in my kitchen and out of whim, if I started preparing pizza, I cannot prepare good recipe. If I am expecting that my pizza should be like Domino's, how it would be? It couldn't. Okay? So we need to create themselves, that how we can create. The most important thing is discipline. Yes. For any kind of things, if you want to acquire any new skills, when motivation faded away, their discipline took that plunge. Okay? And why I am saying this thing, this is my personal experience. I am telling you guys, if you follow these 3 to 4 steps, you would never look back in your life. Never ever. Because this is quite basic things. And we people, what we are doing, we don't have that patience within us. We are not trusting the process. We just want everything at a drop of hat. But how it is possible? That's why most of the people, 80 to 90% people, every day they are feeling that okay, we have joined somewhere, so automatically we will be fluent in this language. No, it needs your heart and soul. Okay, so for that, if you also want to become fluent in this language, I am telling you guys, if you follow these 4 to 5 steps, you will never ever question yourself from next time onwards, that how to start, what to start, and why I am doing this. You will believe in that, doing that action. You will not think for a longer time. Okay, so that's all about today's video. I hope you got some gist of the topic, and why I always say this thing, that choose discipline over motivation. Always. One day you will get success in your life. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be get back to you very soon. Bye bye everyone, and thank you so much for showering your love.